Welcome to Tech Goods, the channel where we dive deep into the latest innovations in home appliances and smart technology. In today's review, we are exploring the Samsung 38 dBA Bespoke Smart Dishwasher, model DW90FA9P0USRAA. This dishwasher is designed to combine powerful performance with whisper-quiet operation and elegant aesthetics. It features a third-rack washing system, smart dry technology with an auto-release door, StormWash Plus cleaning, and full smart connectivity. If you are looking to upgrade your kitchen with a modern, intelligent dishwasher that delivers performance and style, this is a review you will want to watch closely. The design of this Samsung Bespoke dishwasher is nothing short of stunning. With a sleek, flat front and a handleless structure, it seamlessly integrates into any modern kitchen. The door opens with a simple push, creating a clean and elegant exterior that avoids visual clutter. Inside, the build feels solid and thoughtfully constructed. Racks glide smoothly, materials feel premium, and the overall finish is high-end. Whether you opt for the glass front or the stainless steel variant, this dishwasher is made to elevate your kitchen's visual appeal while delivering practical functionality. One of the most impressive aspects of this dishwasher is its incredibly low noise level. At just 38 decibels, it is among the quietest in its class. You can have a conversation right next to it or enjoy a movie in an open-concept living space without even noticing it is running. Samsung has used premium insulation and engineering to suppress sound, making it ideal for households where peace and quiet are highly valued. If you have ever been bothered by the loud hum of older dishwashers, you will immediately appreciate how silent this one is. The enhanced third-rack system in this dishwasher is designed for maximum utility and flexibility. It includes dedicated areas for drinkware, cutlery, and even oversized utensils like spatulas and serving spoons. It holds up to 6 6-inch cups and 6 4-inch cups, making it incredibly useful for families or those who entertain often. What sets this third rack apart is the dedicated wash jets. With 6 spinning nozzles, it delivers direct spray to every item in the rack, ensuring thorough cleaning even for items that are traditionally hard to wash. The detachable tray adds convenience, letting you carry your utensils straight to the drawer once clean. Samsung's StormWash Plus system takes cleaning to another level. This feature uses dual wash arms and a rotating spray jet to clean every angle of your dishes. It covers 1.5 times more space compared to earlier models, ensuring that even the toughest baked-on or greasy residues are removed without needing to pre-rinse. This is especially helpful for cookware like casserole dishes or pans with dried food. The pressure and coverage are powerful, and the dishwasher performs just as well on light everyday loads as it does on challenging cleanup jobs after family dinners. Drying performance is just as important as washing, and Samsung excels here with its smart dry technology. Instead of using extreme heat that can damage plastic items, this system circulates warm air and adjusts temperature and time intelligently. The auto-release door opens automatically at the end of each cycle, allowing steam to escape and air to enter, which leads to more effective drying. This method not only improves results, but also reduces energy consumption. If you have ever had to towel dry items after unloading a dishwasher, you will appreciate how consistently dry and spotless your dishes come out from this unit. The integration of smart features takes convenience even further. This dishwasher connects to the SmartThings app, which allows you to control and monitor your dishwasher remotely. You can start or pause a cycle, check remaining time, get notifications, and track energy usage. It even works in sync with compatible Samsung televisions to display alerts when a cycle finishes. This is ideal for those who want to stay updated without physically checking on the appliance. These smart features are not gimmicks. They genuinely improve the user experience and make daily life easier. Inside the dishwasher, you will find a smartly designed interior that maximizes space and adaptability. The second rack is height adjustable, which means you can lower it to fit larger pots and trays on the bottom or raise it to make room for tall glasses on top. The foldable tines allow you to change the layout depending on what type of load you have. The third rack further expands your options. While the second rack may feel slightly awkward when fitting large bowls, the overall configuration is versatile and can handle a wide range of dish sizes and shapes with ease. Users who have purchased and used this dishwasher consistently praise its performance. One user shared that after several months, it is by far the best dishwasher they have owned. They were impressed by the powerful wash options, effective drying system, and especially the ultra-quiet operation. They highlighted the usefulness of the third rack for oversized utensils and how well it integrated with the Samsung SmartThings app. Another user was amazed at how well it cleaned bottles and stuck on messes even when dishes were not rinsed beforehand. They found the Smart Dry feature and automatic door opening incredibly effective, and they appreciated how quiet and beautiful the dishwasher looked in their kitchen. The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with both new and experienced users highly recommending this model. This Samsung dishwasher is ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it meets high standards for energy and water efficiency. The Smart Dry system contributes to energy savings by avoiding unnecessary heat and reducing drying time based on sensor input. The automatic door release also supports a more natural drying process, which means fewer cycles rely on electricity-intensive methods. Through the SmartThings app, you can even monitor your energy usage by cycle, helping you make informed choices for sustainable living. This is not just a powerful appliance, but also a responsible one. The Samsung 38 dBA Bespoke Smart Dishwasher is a premium appliance built to deliver an exceptional kitchen experience. From the nearly silent operation to the efficient third rack, from the powerful StormWash Plus cleaning to the intelligent Smart Dry system, it checks all the boxes for both performance and convenience. The smart features are genuinely useful, and the design complements any modern kitchen. If you are searching for a dishwasher that goes above and beyond in both style and substance, this Samsung model is an excellent choice that combines function, innovation, and reliability. Thank you for watching this detailed review on tech goods. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more reviews on the latest home technology. If you have questions or want to share your own experience with this Samsung dishwasher, leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay tuned for more insights and recommendations from Tech Goods, where we bring the best of modern living to your screen.